What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house for sale in Hellshire, Portmore, St. Catherine. This house is very close to Hellshire Beach, banking, shipping, and other domestic services. We also can't forget the added comfort this property provides with the beautiful and serene view of the mountains. This house is being sold for Jamaican $30 million or US 194,000. This house has 2 levels and the land area is approximately 4,623 square feet. The home comes with balconies, laundry room, concrete stairway with timber rails, study area, ceramic tiles, private setting and garden area. If you are looking for a corner lot home, well, this is definitely it. Now let's take a look at this house. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.